Hello, my persistent friends, and welcome back to Mr. English Talks. It is so wonderful to see you here today. We live in a world of instant gratification. We have instant noodles, instant messaging, and we see stories of so-called overnight success. It's easy to look at the final result, the famous actor, the wealthy entrepreneur, the master artist, and think, wow, they made it so quickly. They're so lucky. This creates a dangerous and silent poison in our minds, the belief that if we don't achieve our dreams quickly, we have failed. Today, we are going to pour the antidote to that poison. We are going to talk about a fundamental law of the universe, a law that every great achievement obeys. That law is this: success takes time. If you have ever felt impatient, frustrated, or wanted to give up because your results aren't coming fast enough, this message is for you. Let's begin this important journey of patience and power. I want you to imagine two pictures. The first picture is of a bamboo tree. Did you know that when you plant a bamboo seed, you see absolutely nothing for the first year? You water it, you care for it, but nothing breaks the soil. Nothing happens the second year, or the third, or the fourth year. It seems like a complete failure. But then, in the fifth year, something incredible happens. The bamboo tree sprouts and grows over 80 feet tall in just 6 weeks. The second picture is of an iceberg. You see the magnificent, towering peak of ice rising from the ocean. It looks so impressive. But what you don't see is the massive, gigantic mountain of ice hidden beneath the surface, the foundation that supports that visible peak. My friend, you are that bamboo tree. You are that iceberg. The world only sees the final result, the 80-foot growth, the majestic peak. But they don't see the 4 years of building a root system strong enough to support that growth. They don't see the massive foundation of failure, learning, and practice hidden beneath the surface. Your journey right now, where you feel like nothing is happening, that is your most important work. You are building your roots. You are building your foundation. Why does success take so much time? Because real, lasting success is not just an event, it is a process of transformation. You are not just trying to get something, you are trying to become someone. You are trying to become the person who is capable of handling that success, of sustaining it. If a lottery winner suddenly gets millions of dollars without the personal development to manage it, they often lose it all. The money came too fast for their character to catch up. The universe is wise. It makes you work for it because the journey is what forges the character required to hold on to the prize. You have to develop the discipline, the resilience, the knowledge, and the wisdom. And that, my dear friend, cannot be rushed. So, how do we navigate this often frustrating but absolutely essential period of growth? How do we stay motivated when the results are invisible? Here are 3 powerful mindset shifts and actions to embrace the journey. Shift number 1. Fall in love with the process, not just the outcome. If you are only motivated by the final goal, the 6-figure business, perfect body, the fluent English, you will burn out. The goal is far away and the path is long. But if you can find joy in the daily process itself, you will have endless fuel. The action step here is to find the mini win every single day. Ask yourself not, did I achieve my big goal today? But did I do something today that moved me forward? Did you practice for 15 minutes? That's a win. Did you read 10 pages of that book? That's a win. Did you make 1 sales call? That's a win. Celebrate the act of showing up. The person who loves practicing the guitar every day will inevitably become a great guitarist. The person who only dreams of being on stage will never pick up the instrument. Your daily process is your life. Don't sacrifice it for a distant future. Enjoy the practice. Shift number 2, redefine your timeline. Think in years, not weeks. We get frustrated because we give ourselves 2 months to achieve something that naturally takes 2 years. It's like planting an apple tree and getting angry that it didn't give you fruit after 2 weeks. You must adjust your expectations. The action step is to take your biggest goal and double the timeline. If you think it will take 1 year to become fluent in English, give yourself permission for it to take 2. If you think your business will be profitable in 6 months, plan for a year. This does not mean you work slower. It means you release the anxiety of the quick result. It gives you the psychological space to breathe, to learn from your mistakes, and to build something solid and lasting instead of something rushed and fragile. Patience is not about waiting. It's about working with a peaceful heart, knowing that you are on the right path. Shift number 3. Trust the compound effect. Small things, consistently. This is the most important mathematical principle of success. Small, seemingly insignificant actions, repeated consistently over time, create monumental results. It's like a single drop of water. One drop does nothing. But drip after drip, day after day, for years, can carve a hole through solid rock. Reading 10 pages a day is nothing on day 1. But in 1 year, that's 3,650 pages. That's 10 to 12 entire books. Learning 5 new vocabulary words a day seems tiny. But in 1 year, that's over 1,800 words. That's fluency. The action step is to choose your daily drip. What is one tiny 5-minute action you can do every single day that in 2 years would make you a master? Then, put all your focus not on the mountain in the distance, but on taking that one small, consistent step today. Don't break the chain. Consistency is far more powerful than intensity, my dear friend. I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and see the bamboo tree. I want you to honor the work you are doing beneath the surface. That feeling of struggle? That is growth. That feeling of impatience? That is your soul stretching to fit the grander version of yourself you are becoming. The most beautiful gardens are not grown in a day. The strongest castles are not built in a week. And your most magnificent life will not be created in a month. Stop comparing your chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20. Their journey is not yours. Your time is coming, but it will only come if you keep watering your seeds, day after day, even when you see no sign of life. Have faith in the invisible growth. I truly hope this talk has given you a sense of peace and renewed strength for your journey. If you believe in the power of patience and persistent action, please let me know by hitting that like button. And share in the comments, what is the one daily drip you will commit to starting today? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so we can continue this long, beautiful journey of growth together. Remember, a river cuts through a rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Keep flowing. Your success is not late. It is being crafted. This is Mr. English Talks, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep trusting the process. Take care.